In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use OMNY New York City Subway. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the OMNY card, or OMNY. This card is used in the contactless payment system in New York City's subways and buses. So in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of how to acquire it and how it works. So for the payment options, you have the contactless card. For this one, you will be able to tap your contactless credit, debit, or reloadable prepaid card at the OMNY reader. So you simply have to look for the contactless symbol on your card and then tap it there. Usually it's just going to be a bunch of waves like this. Now, you can also add your payment card to a digital wallet such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and then tap your device at the OMNY reader. So as long as you have a card attributed to a digital wallet, this should also work. Make sure to enable NFC capabilities on your smartphone for this to work properly. And in order to acquire an OMNY card, you simply have to look for machines like this one. So whenever you find a machine like this, you will be able to acquire your card. There are various different payment methods and you will be able to choose from various different options. So in this example here, you will be able to buy a new OMNY card, buy a single ride ticket, reload a card for balance, and then check the information on your card. You will be able to navigate through all of these options and choose any of the payment methods available, such as a credit or debit card. Once your card is issued, you will be able to use it to make contactless payments in New York City's subway system. And you will be able to reload the same card over and over, so it is incredibly convenient to use, and you can find these reloading stations anywhere. I hope I was able to help you on how to use OMNY and New York City Subway. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.